Welcome! Ready to find that amazing tune? Let's jump in and learn how to use Shazam on your smartphone. First, open the Shazam app. If you don't have it, you can download it easily from your app store. Once you're in, tap the big Shazam button. This will start the music listening feature. Hold your phone near the source of the music. Shazam works best in a quiet environment. In just a few seconds, Shazam will identify the song. Watch as the results pop up on your screen. Now you can save, share, or explore more about the song. Enjoy discovering new music. To improve accuracy, try to eliminate background noise. That helps Shazam hear the music better. If Shazam doesn't recognize the song, try another snippet or wait for a quieter moment. For live music or performances, make sure your phone is a few feet away from the stage to capture the sound well. Utilize Shazam's catalog to explore artists, albums, and playlists after identifying a song. Enjoy your music journey with Shazam. Discover, explore, and expand your playlist today. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to Shazam any song with ease.